Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Daniel here, and today at Sagar Chandrama Hospitals we have a small pop-up market which has been organized as part of the International Women's Day, and we have a lot of stuff on display. I'll take you around and let's see what we can get. So I have with me here Miss Alka from the Handmade Chapters, who has taken a stall here at the pop-up market. Hello ma'am. So can you tell us a little about it?
Okay, so the Handmade Chapter started off with the feeling for the animated society. So basically, creativity was something which was giving me joy and peace during my tough phase. And I think people started recognizing my brand so well. And now, from past 2 years, the handmade thing is going on a boom. So that is what I do, and this is all my products. So I do custom handmade dies, then these sleeves, cut bandanas, dog collars, then bag charms, paintings, and other crochet details. Along with that, I do have Koda cotton saris, suit set, linen saris, and linen the one I'm wearing. So yeah.
Okay, thank you for taking part in the expo.
Yeah.
So we have with us Ms. Vinuta from Freedom Sanitary Pads. Ma'am, thank you for being with us and thank you for joining us in this pop-up market. So can you please tell us what your products are about?
Yeah.
And I think you want to give us a demo.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, I want to give the demo because this is completely biodegradable pad. We just like to open like this so that no germs and bacteria will enter into it. Like this, we will close the pack. So it is easy to use and easy to carry. And now I will show the difference. This one is normal, and this one is Freedom napkin. So I am putting the color solution to the normal pad, and again I'm putting the same amount of water, that is 30 ml water, to the Freedom pad. Now let me put a tissue paper on that. You just see how wet it is, and again I am putting the same tissue paper like here. So absorption capacity is more. Now I will show you how it absorbs. Just I am squeezing this, the water will come. It means that it's not absorbing, it's just holding the fluid. But our napkin, the same procedure I will follow. Just see, not even a single drop is coming from this. So it is completely biodegradable, made up of cotton, and this one is made up of corrugated paper or low quality cotton. And now this one is, they are using the bamboo as the material to make this gel formation, which is quite natural and no any harmful chemicals used in this. I sent all these to the laboratories also, and I found no bleaching agents, no coloring agents added to this. And this one is the silver nano strip. This one is the silver nano strip inside it, which is for bacterial and fungal infection reduction, and also it will reduce the muscle cramps also. So my opinion, please use the Freedom napkin. And somebody are using the cups. The fluid coming out from our body, which is collected into the cup, and which will be reabsorbed into the body, and it is causing infections, fungal infection, viral infection, bacterial infection. It may cause to cervical cancers also. So kindly know your pad and use it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. What is the price difference, like what you get in the market? And
Yes, sir. It comes in 3 sizes: regular, large, and XL. For XL, it is 300. For large, it is 280. And for regular, it is 260. And we will give the home delivery all over India. It is not not available in the market, contact me and I will only deliver it to you.
Okay, we have here Miss Vandana from Namma Mane Tindi, and she has some products. The one that I'm tasting here is dhokla. It's one of my favorite dishes, and it is amazing. So, ma'am, would you like to tell us a little about your product?
I made dhokla, this is a Gujarati dish, and maybe thepna. That is a Fenubi cheese chapati, you can say, and it is very tasty. You can serve it for a week and have also. And we have this juice, which has become very famous today because of this. It's a KD Pudina juice called, and it's very healthy, summer food and for the season. This is the dry masala milk, dry fruits masala milk powder, which you kids or even elder, younger, everybody can have. Mix it with milk and have it. It's a very good, healthy product.
So the dhokla that I'm having is awesome, and dhokla is one of my favorite dishes. I'm having it after a long time, so really enjoying this stuff. So we have Miss Soumya here from Art Gardenia, and she has a lot of products displayed here.
Mainly we keep handicrafts from different states. They are metal, wood, and recently also we do a lot of written bricks, and we do customized with metal planters, terracotta. So all sort of gifts is available.
I have here with me Miss Shahala, who is from Markara Food Society, Food Spices Society, and she has a stall here. Can you tell us a little about your stall?
Yeah, so main thing we are coming from Madikeri food. So all these items come from that places only. So we have all the homemade chocolates, even the spices, and even the coffee. So along with that we have the coffee powder also. So even coffee beans, if people are thinking that okay we are adding some chicory or not, so that's why even if you want to brew it, we are giving even the coffee beans also. So chocolate, all are homemade. We are having the 85% dark chocolates also, milk chocolates also, and even the white chocolates along with the white. We have the homemade chocolates with 85% of dark chocolates also, milk chocolates which is added with sugar, and the white chocolates which is mainly made with the cocoa butter, vanilla and cocoa butter. Yeah. So vanilla and the sugar. So it's not the one with the mix with only with the milk powder. It's along with milk powder, vanilla and cocoa butter. So along with it we are having the purest honey. So 1 kg also we are having. Even we have the small quantity also, and even the coconut oil. Homemade wines are made. So it's a purely homemade wine with very varieties. We have only now with bird eye chili, blueberry and all. So along with that nutmeg and all comes from that, and we have even the food masala, sambar masala powder that comes purely from homemade. We make them, we dry it, we fresh, everything are the fresh products only. And these spices are of this harvest only. This time harvest we have got.
Quality.
Thank you everyone. This is Rohini Paras, founder of Chittam Toys and Home Decor. We have products for wooden learning materials for children which are made up of pine wood cubes and tracing boards, puzzle sets, and do-it-yourself magnet painting sets. There are varieties of magnet painting sets for children. Along with that, I am a mandala artist. I make hand-drawn mandalas and digital works. These are all hand-painted mandala works, tea lights, posters, and rangoli boards, and all these things. And mandala frames are there.
What is mandala?
Fridge magnets.
What is mandala?
Mandala is known as a circle.
Okay.
It's like starting from the center point bindu and it is going outwards, that is containing inside the cosmos. There are two types of mandalas, whatever we say, in Sanatana Dharma. Can I come in Kannada?
Yes.
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಂಡಲಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ರಂಗೋಲಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ವಿಶೇಷತೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದೇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆಹ್ವಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡಲಗಳನ್ನು ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗಿನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಯಂತ್ರ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಯಂತ್ರದ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದು. ಸೊ 1 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲಿಂದ 7 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗ್ನಚಕ್ರ ಸಹಸ್ರಾರ ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್.
Okay, we have with us Miss Chitra from Chitra Abharana, who is into terracotta jewelry.
ಇದು 18 ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥ ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ನಾನು 7 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ನನ್ನದೇ ಓನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು, ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗು ನಾನು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಮಗೂ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ತುಂಬ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ
ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಟನ್ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ, ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಡೀತಾರ ಅಂತ ಜುವೆಲ್ಸ್.
ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇವಾಗ ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಖಂಡಿತ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ
ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
experience ಅಲ್ಲಿ-
ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಿಮ್ಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಹಾಂ,
Okay ma'am, thank you very much for participating.
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್.
So we have with us Miss Divya from Rivas and Libas. Ma'am, thank you for participating in our pop-up market.
NGO ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಇದು ಅಗರಬತ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 80 years old lady is stitching ಕಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್.
We have with us Miss Inchara from Saki Bridal Studio.
My name is Inchara and then I'm the founder of Saki Bridal Studio. So I'm doing this mainly from past 6 years and then like it is just started as a hobby and then like I'm passionate about this. Like we get orders for bridal and the nail art, so which is a combo for a bridal artist and then as well as a bride, like upcoming brides in futures.
Like, do you go elsewhere and do the... So people call you for...
Yeah, people, like, I do for the home services, like people call me to their places and then get different kinds of mehendi, which is like Arabic, Mandala and then Indian. Indian will comes to the bride, the Arabic will be like for the non-bridals and then Mandala will also be for the non-bridals. So nowadays we can see the Arabic and the Mandalas are going in the trend. So and then I also do the mehendi for bridal groom and then which are like complete theme mehendi. So which is done in elegant and then intricate manner.
So we have with us now Miss Jagruti from Priya and Iti, and she has products displayed here at Sagar Chandrama's pop-up market. Ma'am, thank you for setting up a stall here with us. So can you tell us a little about your products?
Sure. First of all, thanks for the opportunity. Today I have come with work with Kurtis and kids wear. Sagar Chandrama being a women's and kids hospital, I think it has been very relevant. Our sales have been very good. I actually deal with handloom and silk saris and traditional wear. And today, whatever is relevant for the hospital, we got it, and it's been going on well. And I met a lot of other women entrepreneurs, which is a networking opportunity also. Thank you.
So we have here Miss Sumana and Miss Shravani, who have served me Khowa Jamun. And ma'am, can you tell us a little about this jamun and also whatever you
What I
displayed?
have done is some khova and maida, total of khova. So all these are homemade. This is from ragi. What I have done is from ragi.
What is that? Is that a...
Yeah.
Ragi mixed murukku.
Oh, it's a murukku. Okay.
Yeah. And this is from
Made from curd.
This is from curd.
Okay.
It's great for tea time snacks and all those things.
This is from moong dal.
So what is the specialty of this?
We have all done it at home.
We have done that.
Homemade.
Yeah, it's homemade.
So if you want, you can give it as an order also.
Okay.
This is chana dal.
This is chana dal.
So I just taste a little of the laddu. Sorry, not laddu.
It's a khova
Jamun.
jamun.
Khowa jamun. Yes, it's nice, not too sweet. Yeah, just the way it should be. Otherwise, sometimes I've had laddu very sweet. So great. Okay, we have with us Mr. Ajay, who is from Olle Food. That is good food. Olle is good in like Kannada, right? So it's Olle Food, and he has taken a stall here at our pop-up market. Sir, could you please tell us a little about your product?
Yes, sir. Thank you first of all giving an opportunity to be here at Sagar Chandrama Hospital. I am the founder of this Olle Food. My name is Ajay, and we have a portfolio-based products. From morning to evening, we have all the products. Like we advise you have food at home whenever you want outside. That we are there. So we fill that window gap with our millet-based mueslis, noodles, pancakes, and we have the four different millet noodles where the major base is wheat and then millets we are using. Rather than making different flavors, we are giving one standard masala, and we want people to consume different ingredients of the millets. That is, these are also called as foxtail, foxtail little millet barnyard or positive millets. So the wheat and millet combination will reduce the glycemic index of the product, so that it will not affect the sugar level percentage of the person who consumes. And easily it can serve 4 people as a snack, 2 people as a meal. And along with that we have the dates powder, which is methzol dates and few dates, no added sugar, nothing. As a sugar supplement we can use it anywhere except coffee. That's what we advise. And this is the pancake, again easy to make, mix in a mix and then pour it on the non-stick cover, which is already we have used sprouted and roasted millets, and goodness loaded is almond powder, apple powder, dates powder, everything we have added. It's easy, very quick. I myself made 130 pancakes for 60 minutes.
Okay, 3 hours.
So yeah, these are the again last 2 products are, this is our durum wheat pasta. We tried in millet, but in our survey didn't go well. So Italian pastas are authentically made in durum wheat. We are making the same one, and except gluten there is nothing, no issues in that, like in the eggs or the protein, fiber, everything is good. So overall we are ensuring to make all the good foods in our portfolio, and these are frontline products. We are working on micronutrient rich products like iron, vitamin D and other B12 products. For that I am going to research organizations. Let's see, hopefully in future I will come with that.
Okay, thank you for taking up the call here and continue to be. Thank you. So we have with us Mr. Ramesh from True Millets. Sir, can you tell us a little about your
Our products are totally millet based.
millet based?
Focusing on millet to have snack varieties.
This is a little sweet.
Yeah. It's totally lower millet.
Lower,
right?
okay.
That's sure. Let's make it poha like that, lower millet. Make it sweeter. And some like kara, like spicy.
Oh, this is
That's very
okay.
And we have the millet snacks like nipattu, korbali, food like that.
We move on to the next stall. We have Miss Sharanya with us, who is from Gift Heart. And ma'am, can you tell us a little about your product?
All are handmade. Even we have a jewelry and crochet stuff like flowers, hair bands, and car hangings, clips, everything. Even I have a handmade jewelry. It is called invisible chain. It is a trendy one, and it is a weightless. You will be wearing like weightless. For this generation, we need a weightless jewelry.
Yes.
So it is a trendy one. We can customize also, and I will be taking orders for crochet even for customers. Thank you for giving opportunity.
Thank you for taking up a stall with us.
Thank you, sir.